Ever wondered why capturing the human face on paper can be such a challenge? It's a common struggle in the art world, but fear not. You're about to uncover the secrets of simplifying this complex process into manageable steps. The human face is a symphony of shapes, angles, and lines. To master its depiction, begin by seeing it as a collection of geometric forms. Start with an oval shape for the head. This fundamental base provides the framework for the rest of the features. Remember, no two faces are identical, so feel free to adjust the shape to match the specific face you're drawing. Next, divide the oval into quarters, using a vertical and a horizontal line. These lines will guide you in placing the facial features. The eye line falls on the horizontal axis, while the vertical line will help position the nose and mouth. The eyes, they say, are the windows to the soul. To draw them, envision two almonds sitting on the eye line. The space between the eyes should be approximately the width of one eye. Remember, eyes are not flat shapes. They have depth and dimension, so add a curve for the eyelids and two circles for the iris and pupil. The nose can be simplified into 3 circles, one large circle for the bulb of the nose and 2 smaller ones for the nostrils. Place these on the vertical line below the eyes. The bottom of the nose typically aligns with the bottom of the ears, which sit between the eye and nose line on either side of your oval. The mouth, positioned under the nose, can be broken down into 3 shapes: 2 teardrops for the upper lip and a wide curvy M shape for the lower lip. The corners of the mouth usually align with the center of the eyes. Lastly, add the eyebrows above the eyes and the chin at the bottom of the face. Remember, these features vary greatly from person to person. Observe closely to capture their unique shape and size. Once you've sketched these basic elements, it's time to refine. Soften sharp lines, add shadows for depth, and include details like eyelashes, wrinkles, or freckles. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and soon you'll see improvement. To recap, the process of drawing a face can be simplified into easy steps. Start with an oval and divide it into quarters. Use these lines to position the eyes, nose, and mouth. Break down each feature into basic shapes: almonds for the eyes, circles for the nose, and teardrops, plus a curvy M for the mouth. Add details and shadows to bring the face to life. Remember, art is not about perfection, but expression. Every face you draw is a testament to your unique interpretation of the world, so pick up that pencil and let your creativity flow. Happy drawing!